It's not as simple as it sounds. It must be fresh.
Minne me mennään?
Freestyle.
Freestyle. Mikä se on?
Täystä. Kokista. Komoja maisemat.
Sinne män.
Joo, kyllä se saunahylleitä ei ole.
Hallilla.
Kirkas valo. I don't got no lights.
Say Jill. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking.
National Geographic.
The kale must be split perfectly. The most digestible part is inside.
Chill down. Mitä siellä?
No Tinderiä.
Tinderiä näkyy. Onko?
Poronaiset. Kato, mä astin semmoselta poronaiselta, niin se poronasta lompako.
Nää se. No, se on.
25 euros.
25.
Pretty cheap in
Pretty
here in Lapland.
Yeah.
He is having a crapula, drinking some water, trying to rehydrate. I think he's drinking straight Koskenkorva.
It's really nice, Koskenkorva.
Yeah.
USA, you know.
I know.
If you know the place.
No, I think it does. It's in the US. Some lager.
Työttömän toffe.
Copper. Oi!
Give me one.
Ei oi! There is some kind of hill made of steel.
No, better start drinking now so I can try that.
What we got here?
We have Albert Einstein.
Oh,
Genius.
Genius. He's fucking genius.
PGA approved Dixmania kiekko from Finland.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Disc here, Joona Heinänen.
Joona Heinänen.
Champion series.
Team champion. He's
Champ man.
champ man. Yeah.
Let
All
me
the way to...
put some in from the other kiekko.
To the monomesta.
To the monomesta.
Yeah.
Who is first?
I think Jontte because he found the kiekko.
Okay, Jontte.
Alright. Surprisingly good.
Okay.
Tääkö lyö hanska käteen vai heititkö ilman?
Ilma.
Meikällä lähti tonne eräämään.
Me ollaan sijoituskästissä.